back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be doing like a day in the life. Say hi. Hi. So we doing a day in the life today. Today is Juneteenth, the Black people holiday. So I already ordered me like, I had ordered me 2 things. I had brought my essentials. I had bought a Shein cart for school. But today we're going to go out and find like some stuff for school, cause school already finna start. We go back August 5th, so gotta get prepared. So it's a bird. We got a bird. We babysitting my cousin bird. Look, see, look at the bird, y'all. So y'all, hey y'all. So I'm back. We at Chick-fil-A, and I had got. I'm gonna show y'all what I got when the food get here. So I'll come at y'all when my food get here. But today we're gonna go shopping and all that. I'm excited. Well, we're going school shopping, and then y'all, I'm going to Myrtle Beach in July. I'm so excited for that and stuff. So I'll come back with y'all when we get our food. You wanna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Alright, y'all, I'll come back. Alright, y'all, so we got our food. We got chicken deluxe right now. What you got, Mommy Rob?
Chicken nugget. With the fries.
What you got, Coco?
I got chicken fries.
Mom, what you got for to eat?
Number 1.
What's up, y'all? So we got done eating. We at Dillard's, cause I had got the Kurt Geiger singles. So hopefully, I don't know if they got the purse here. So this is what we finna get. Let's see, they have the purse. Alright, y'all, so I got the
Yeah.
so I found the purse. It's cute. Wow. Alright, come on. Y'all. So that's the purse I want. But they got some big, huh? I think, I don't know. I'm too excited.
Oh, wow.
All the Kurt Geiger stuff in here. But this,
Gabby, show Coco the sandwich you got.
vlogging. Hold on. But y'all, this the purse I want. I'll be back with y'all. Say hey. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna buy the purse. I'm so excited. They got Louis bags in here.
Wow, where did you
They got
I think so.
You can have Kaylee.
open it. Y'all. Yeah. Can't see that. Look at my purse. I love you. Give me a. Oh my God.
Well, don't let anybody try to take it.
No.
Tell again.
Because you've got a cute, you'll have a cute bag.
She got the sandals already.
Oh, really?
It was for her 8th grade graduation gift.
Oh, wonderful.
Kaylee.
Cause she made
Say, bang, bang, it's a, bang, hold on. Bag secured. I'm so happy, y'all. I got my purse. Yes. Bang, it's a, I got these sandals.
these the sandals.
These are cute.
Let me see the first.
Oh, look at these.
Yeah, those are cute. Those are cute. These are cute. These are cute. These are cute.
And then see the other one, the other shoe like
They
this.
got the black.
It got this on it.
Alright, y'all. So we finna go Hippo Sports. Finna find these. Finna find these Adidas. Alright, y'all. So we in Five Below. Come on, Candy. So we finna. I just got this. Cause y'all know I like. Y'all know I love. Mom, look. Mom, look. They got this. They got a whole bunch of Hello Kitty stuff. Right. I really want a coloring book though. This is what I really want.
She know the why. Come on, let's go.
Dang, you say my name loud. Are you buying them?
$5.55.
Are these hard?
Right.
Hold on, I'm finna shop a little bit.
It's so.
Mom, this mirror is cute. This is cute. Y'all, this is cute. I don't know. That's cute. I low-key need a shelf to put like my... It's some... They got some cute stuff in here. I most definitely recommend y'all come to... Oh my god! Oh. Y'all. I can't, it's heavy. Mom, should I get LED lights for my shower? I've been wanting them. It's 8 feet. You got pet stuff. We already went over here. Okay. Should I get a clear? Should I get a clear shelf? Mom. Should I get this shelf? Put my trophies on there.
Yeah.
On the wall. I might get that. But I want my room to look like. You for real getting them things, Coco? You for real getting them I'm about these. Why they go like? Oh, they got moves on it. Yeah, I don't want that. Look at this strawberry.
She said I got it. She did.
Oh.
Strawberry. I'm trying to guess what she said. I did like this. She said I got it. Yes. You get that too?
I'm getting that. I'm trying to think what else I want. No, they don't have them in here. Mom, we need to, like... They got slime. I'm so full. Y'all, we in. Open the door. Hello. Yeah. Dang. It's right here. Dang, they moved it around. They moved it around. Where everything got? Well, y'all, so looking for the skirt and jump, but I can't find them. I'm trying to find the jacket or something. Oh. Where?
Right there.
Right where?
Ain't this it? Hanging out right there?
Oh, right here. Oh, it is. Yeah.
This too short. You can't wear this.
No, I'm not. It wasn't even that one.
You can't wear this. Did you wear those to school? No.
All right, y'all. So I got it.
Gabby, are you vlogging?
Y'all, so I just back to crib. I got me a Lululemon. I'm so excited, y'all. I finally got one. Boy, my pockets. Ain't no pockets.
It's your baby cousin.
All right, hold on, guys. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. So it's hot in here, but I'm gonna show y'all all what I got before I get ready for bed. So y'all, we birding. I don't know if I told y'all that. Yeah, I'm birding. So I had got this from Dealers. I got the purse to match with the sandals. It's so tea. Then I got Lululemon. I'm not gonna put it back in the bag, but got the jacket. And then the tights. Then I had went to Five Below. I got these. I got these for my room because I like Hello Kitty. And I got these for my bathroom. I'll put them up later. And then we went to Hibbert Sports. I got a pair of shoes. Some dunks. These are so hard because I had started them on Flight Club. But I was going to get them after because I ain't had nothing. I ain't buy nothing with them yet. But I'm getting some with them. And then they got the color change. So that's all I got. Yeah, that's all I got. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I'm starting being more consistent. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all tell people about my YouTube channel for real. But I'll come back with y'all with another vlog. Bye, guys.